Hey guys, Digital David here. Today we're going to be looking at TubeBuddy again. Today we're going to be focusing on their canned responses and commenting on videos within TubeBuddy's app and how it integrates with your YouTube channel. The link to TubeBuddy is in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out. And if you're going to sign up for TubeBuddy, please do it through that link. That really helps support my channel and you get all the same great features and pricing from TubeBuddy.com. So anyways, when you're on your TubeBuddy homepage right here, there's a canned response section right here with the two little chat icons. You're going to want to go ahead and click on that. And then here are all your canned responses. So you can see I have hearts, a thumbs up, a thumbs down, a thank you, a thanks for commenting. And you see that little code with the bracket in the end? That's just going to put the channel name right there. So thanks for commenting. Hello, whatever your channel is. Hello, Digital David. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for the feedback. You can add more right here in this add canned response section. You can name it test, canned response, test, and then there's the placeholder right there, and you can save it and you're all good to go. So that's how you do canned responses on TubeBuddy. It's really easy, simple, and straightforward right from your home page. Now let's go ahead and look at YouTube specifically and see some comments and what it looks like here. So here is my comment section, and you can get there from TubeBuddy as well right here. You can click on comments and it'll take you right to this page. Here are all of my comments, but you can use TubeBuddy to sort comments that I've not replied to, comments that have replies which need to be followed up on, comments with reply disabled, comments that contain a question mark that contains URLs. So look at all the different options you have here. That's really cool. I like the comments that I've not replied to. I try to go back through and reply to my comments. Some days are better than other days in that regard. So if I haven't replied to your comment on here, I apologize. Hopefully I will. If not, reach out to me on social media or another avenue as well. I may be a little faster to reply. So here, a spirited vegan just wrote this comment today. What if I want to keep my existing phone in service because I can't come out of the contract yet? So should I just get a second new phone and get the plan? So if I want to do anything, I can do like, dislike, heart, obviously. Then if I want to reply, I can just type my response. Or I can go to this little TubeBuddy icon right here and see all of my canned responses. So I could just do, thanks for commenting. So see how it already put his channel name in there or her channel name, and thanks for commenting. Then I can finish up typing my response and hit reply. Or if that's good enough, just hit reply right there. So the comment feature is really an awesome feature if you have a lot of comments to go through, or you've neglected your comments for years and then you want to go see what ones you haven't replied to. You can sort all that out right here. So it's definitely a great feature. You're going to want to check it out. Again, the link to TubeBuddy is in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out. And I appreciate you guys being here. Leave me any questions, comments, concerns you have below. I'd love to chat with you all. Check out my social media accounts. Please follow me there. If you could like this video, that would be awesome. If you could subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate that too. Again, I just value you guys being here. Check out my website, join my newsletter as well, and I will see you around the channel. Thanks.